So this elephant camp has a activity for a half day. Morning we can spend time with the elephant ride, and post lunch there are four different activities. Let's check the timings as well as price of the other activities here. Magic show, 200 rupees per person, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m.
Seating capacity 200 people.
Kathakali Center, 200 rupees per person. Kalari, 200 rupees per person, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Seating capacity 100 people.
Tribal dance, 300 rupees per person, 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m.
This is jackfruit.
Musical fountain, 150 rupees per person. Ideal time would be 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Happy weekend.